Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Kalong kasngi kabansa jengkan mau ya Ri-Bhoi College. Hadin ba umentri badai kemi ya katanat puli puthi jong ka Sorkar jela uba la kemen Ri-Bhoi. Menta kasngi ula IT sendan ya ka notification halor ka jingmang tengka lengba ka scheme People's College Grant and Aid. Ban Siew Tulop ya kilai phawai ngut ki Nonghikai bat ki Nongtrei jong kanika college ka balas lembha Ri-Bhoi district. Lengba kanika scheme kini ki khat prangut ki Nonghikai bat ki Nongtrei jong kanika college kinyo ya ka Tulop ka ban bei tengka dak Sorkar jela halor ki khat lai ngut ki bala dep ban yo lupa ya ka Tulop na ka Sorkar bat ya ka shithi ban pen benapat ba ya kane uba lakman Ri-Bhoi ula IT sya Dr. Didi Lapang President Governing Body Kong WK Belak Secretary jong ka Governing Body bat u Principal ka College u Prof sa SSR Baman. Ha kini ka jingalang ka bala penlong Ri-Bhoi College mentakasngi layo i ba ki Nonghikai ki Nongtrei lembat baro ki badan benta bat kani ka college kenthop na du ki dekhot jong ka Governing Body kidap da ka jingkemen bat ka khmat ka baphu samrkhe halor ka jinglong laklo jong ka Sorkar ban bei tengka ya ka Tulop ka jong ki lengba ka te ka scheme. Lawan ban sakhilang ya kani ka jingalang da ka jinga don rengkat jong UMLA ka Nongpo uba Meral Bonds Iem UMDC ka Nongpo uba Balajit Rani kakong FM Lakiang Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District ki Nonghikai ki Nongtrei lembat ki Riu Pau Khmat ka Ri-Bhoi District.
Yes, Sri Ri-Bhoi has brought with a bigger rays of sunshine to this college. Mr. Ri-Bhoi, I've been bringing and longing to see this day since college has started right from year 1984, ups and downs. We have been toiling day and night. We have been using our midnight oil already. Sometimes we lose hope. Sometimes we get support, encouragement. Sometimes we hear the voice of say to fight, to strive, and not to yield. On this encouragement, we crawl and we walk ups and down till we reach this time, this day. This is a very special occasion to mention, to upgrade our college as one of very few in the state. We're thankful to the government that they have found it fit that Ri-Bhoi College be included in the list, and we got this announcement through you. Your kind presence gave us really encouragement and a better light. The horizon of hope is creeping our shape.
It is like a dream come true, as I have said, that today the Honorable Minister in charge of education himself is coming to hand it over that Ri-Bhoi College will be regarded as the People's College to grant the aid scheme government. This initiative, we have seen the proactive steps taken by the government with regards to education. We have seen since Sir Ri-Bhoi has taken over as the Education Minister, there are many bold steps that has been taken. Even though it has been taken quite a period of time to deliver due to many reasons known to everyone, especially due to COVID-19. But today, we are happy to be here that this college will be regarded as a People's College. Thank you so much, sir. And we know the groundwork that you have done by yourself. We know the groundwork that have done by the officer concerned, by the bureaucrats, be it at the secretariat, be it at district level, and we are happy to see that education in our state, it has going from strength to strength. Not only the special recognition of the 9 colleges in the state as People's College, positive step has been witnessed with regards to strengthening of the lower primary school within the state.
about tens and thousands of students apply for scholarship. But last year, only around 7,000 students benefit from scholarship. The problem is that the income limit. I have written to the ministry that they should increase income limit to 4.5 lakh. If they increase, many of the student community will benefit. So it is a work in progress for the student welfare also. Besides that, for primary school, for elementary and secondary school, 191 LP schools have been sanctioned for accreditation, and secondary school and high school also with new building. And we hope that this year will trend, because we know that LP school all over the state, they are in a very shamble. So we want to give the infrastructure, because for quality education, you have to have quality teachers, you have to have a quality infrastructure. And we know that now, with a new teaching methodology, with new advanced technology, until and unless we have a good infrastructure, it is very difficult. Where to store the other, maybe primary school also next time they will do online, this and that, where to store all those gadgets. It is very difficult until and unless we address this issue. Yes, many in the state are in a shamble, but we will, for the first time, the government about 200 schools is undertaken. Never ever before since the statehood that this massive infrastructure development have taken place. And we know the problem of the ad hoc appointment of teachers is lying for tens of years. Ad hoc, temporary. And we have to decide. We cannot please anybody. Being in the head of the affairs, somebody will be happy and somebody will be not happy. But at some point of time, we have to start somewhere. That's why last year, more than 1,000 plus teachers have been appointed in lower primary school and upper primary school. And we will do more. And last year we do rationalization. There are some schools which are only 10 students, they have 5 teachers. But there are some schools who have 100 teachers, students, they have only 2 teachers, 1 teacher. Should we rationalize? Yes, there is many opposition, be from the MLA, be from teachers, but we have to do. We know how to rationalize the resources. So that's why we are trying to do that. Not a single school will be a single teacher. It is the duty of the government to see that the social sector in the state progress as per the wish of the people. Yes, challenges is there. Yes, difficulties is there. More so in the education sector. It is the fact that we have so many challenges, but that does not dim on the spirit from the day one when the MDA government, under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister, we have made a priority that education is a priority. In these last 3 years, we faced so many difficulties. You know it very well. But as I said, we have the commitment to fulfill. And that commitment that we have to take to look at higher education so that the youth of today, so that the young mind could have the facilities, should have the liberty to get the higher education. Yes, it is easier said than done, but we have to work together. I'm very happy in the last 3.5 years, we are trying to fulfill many of the promises which we are committed. Ri-Bhoi is one of the districts where we are looking how to develop. That's why we have already completed the construction of college at Pathakma. I hope of our statehood, we will be able to start the college in the Western Ri-Bhoi, that is in Pathakma. And we know that Ri-Bhoi College, for the last 37 years, it has done a human service to the student community of the Ri-Bhoi, to the people of the Ri-Bhoi. And we know that the government from time to time try to extend what the facilities to this college. But it's not good enough. Yes, 13 posts have been sanctioned in the last many years. And we know from the principal of the college and from the secretary of the college that about 51 teaching and non-teaching staff are there in this college. I'm not telling that what we are doing today will fulfill everything. No. Education is a very dynamic. What we fulfill today is just a step for in the coming days. So that's why we are trying to look at each and every corner of the state. It is not a very easy decision. It is the first government that in one sitting at July in the cabinet meeting that we take a decision to implement the People's College scheme in 9 colleges.